What is the cause that you're supporting this afternoon?
To save baby Daniel, because a liver transplant is the only thing that's going to save his life, and we need everybody to come in and help. This money should not be the only thing that will stop him from living. We need everybody to help save baby Daniel. You guys help save baby Daniel. Baby Daniel.
Yeah, stand at the street. Who just gave it?
Oh man, we need a little. You got a bag? You can put whatever.
I'm putting my backpack.
I still want to go inside.
Nice. What is? Save baby Daniel.
Okay, how are you connected or related to baby Daniel?
He's my first cousin's son, named after his great-grandfather, Daniel Estell. Looks a lot like him, and it's about a humanitarian act. It's not just family. We need as much support as we can get.
Okay, and where are you originally from?
We're from Belize, and Daniel's parents are here on a visiting visa. They're both here legally, and we still don't know why Children's Services or Children's Hospital, they cannot give us a definite exactly what's necessary for them to do the surgery on Daniel. We come up with $100,000, and they still cannot tell us, yes, we will do the surgery to save his life. So we need somebody from the hospital to come forward. We need somebody in authority to give us a concrete answer what it would take for him to have his surgery to save his life.
Okay, what is your name?
Judith Brown Estell.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Judith.
you. Thank you.
And who is this young man?
This is her son,
And your name is?
Dennis.
Okay, lower your sign that way I can see what it says. What does it say?
He said, save baby Daniel's life. Now, give him surgery.
Okay, and your name is?
Dennis.
Thank you, Dennis. And who are you, sir, and what's your cause?
My name is Rick Pierce. My main cause is Daniel in the hospital here. And
So you paid him a visit, didn't you, Rick?
actually, something told me to go visit Daniel, and I went up there, and I'm stunned. It was such an amazing experience. He's beautiful. He's angelic. What can I say? It was an incredible experience.
And what is your hope for baby Daniel Estell?
My hope for Daniel Estell is that I get to see him someday in the future, and that he's a thriving, happy young man, and spreading the word about good and peace in the world. That's all. Yeah.
Thank you for being here with us today.
I love you. Thank you for inviting me.
What does your sign say?
Surgery for baby Daniel now.
And yours?
Please do not let baby Daniel die. We want to donate.
Man, I'll slap you up your bike.
So you take that with him?
I will kick his back tire and make him stick his ball.
flag is meant to represent freedom. But at this moment, I wonder.